Okay, this is Rex W1REX, and I've got the Rocktopper 2++, and I've got the, Rocktopper 2++, and I got the Rockmite 2++, and straight key, and my RF power meter. So I'm going to turn just the Rocktopper on, the Rockmite on. Sorry, I keep getting these things confused. And I'm going to use the straight key, and I'm going to key down solid, and my meter over here is reading just a little over 600 milliwatts. So that's the output, final output power of the Rockmite. I'll switch on the amplifier. Now it's going through the amplifier, but the amplifier is turned on, so it just passes through and goes to the output. So I'll turn the Rocktopper on, and I have tweaked the this is a 10 dB amplifier, so 600 milliwatts would probably give you 6 watts out. So I've actually set the bias so it's not quite 10 dB. So when I key down, I got to change this. I know I'm going to change this to 5 watts full scale, because when I key down, woo, I'm a little bit on the hot side. Let's see what I'm actually... Yep, sorry about that. I am getting 5.5 watts out of it. So to change that, I'm going to take the Rocktopper out of its case. I've got some thumb screws on here that Charlie Brown found on Amazon. Makes it a lot easier to take them apart. Don't need a screwdriver. They're optional. They're on Amazon. I'll put a link to the website for that. And I'm going to get a straight bladed screwdriver. And there's the gain pot. The trimmer sets the bias on the FET. So I'm going to find the slot. Let's see. Come on. Right there. And I'm going to key down. I'm watching. I got it back to 5 watt. Okay, I'm going to be over scale, so I'm going to pull it back, and okay, there's there's 5 watts right there. So I'll turn this off, put it back in its case. Just don't want to accidentally short anything out, so it's safer to turn it off. Put it back in, and put the 2 thumb screws in the back panel. The other thumb screw. I guess I better look at it. There it is. Okay, so now it's back in the lineup, so I can turn it back on again and key down. Woo! I'm over 5 watts again. Dang! Oh, I see, it slumps down a little bit as you hold the key. It's dropping a little bit, so it's now under 5. So, I mean, I could probably tweak it down just a little bit more, so if I give it a good solid key down, it never peaks over 5 watts. But anyway, that's how you run these two together. They're both... this is basically, the Rocktopper is pretty much the same as the original Rocktopper that I had in the other case, but I've changed the board so it fits in this extruded aluminum case, and it's got all the connectors are on board, so now you don't have to make any cabling other than the cable from inside to the... You do have to put a couple of jumper cables in there to get RF from front of the board to the back of the board. That's about it. So I can actually... I'll turn this off and I should have probably showed you that board anyway. I'm going to unplug everything because I haven't really shown this board. We've got umpty-ump videos on the Rockmite 2++, but not on the Rocktopper. So I'll take this apart. So this is the original Rocktopper. And we always had cables to go here to the output connectors, which were on a tuna can or on the other case enclosure I had bulkhead connectors. Well, now the connectors are on board, so you just have to jumper from the relay over to the RF in and the RF out. Other than that, it's built just like the regular Rocktopper. You got your power and your switch and the LED, so everything's on board, and it just slides in the case. And that goes on, and so, oops, let me take that out again. There's a band module on here, so this kit with the band module can change instantly from 80, 40, 30, 20, all the other bands. So, but you have to pull that low-pass filter out of here and put a new one in for whatever band you want to work on. So, it is band module capable, 5 watts out with a 1/2 watt in. So it works great on your typical QRPP kits. Oops, where'd my other thumb screw go? But it's in a much nicer case now. I like these extruded aluminum cases. Really nice design. Nice black panel that goes with it, so you can stack them up or side by side. Anyway, that's it. That's how they work. Thanks for watching. Bye.